Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a fruit. Also known as mountain ash, is a small, tart fruit that grows on trees commonly found in temperate regions. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Rowan, Rowan, Rowan. An interesting fact about rowan is that the berries are often used to make jams, jellies, and traditional liquors. In folklore, rowan trees were believed to have protective qualities, warding off evil spirits, and bringing good fortune. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about rowan, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.